In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass FTMO Free Trial. The free trial is a demo version of the FTMO challenge. It follows the same rules, but the profit target is lower, and it's designed to show you whether you're ready for the real evaluation. Passing it will not fund you, but it will prove that your process works and that you can operate within risk limits. Your goal is simple. Make a profit to reach the lower target while staying safely within the max daily loss and the max total loss. Think of it as a consistency test. You don't need to be a hero, you just need to be disciplined. Start by focusing on only one or two markets so you can learn their rhythm. A great approach is to pick a single instrument like SPY, EUR/USD, or XAU/USD. Sticking to one market reduces noise and helps you recognize cleaner setups. Jumping around usually leads to confusion and mistakes. Next, keep your strategy simple. Trade with the trend. If price is making higher highs and higher lows, you're in an uptrend. Only look for buys. If it's making lower highs and lower lows, you're in a downtrend. Only look for sells. Don't chase random candles. Wait for pullbacks into areas of interest and then align with the larger move. Simplicity here is a superpower. Risk management is what gets you across the finish line. Risk only 0.5% to 1% per trade and never increase risk after a loss. For example, on a $10,000 trial, that's $50 to $100 at risk per trade. This keeps you away from drawdown limits and gives you multiple chances to execute your edge without emotional pressure. Be selective with entries. Before placing a trade, confirm that the trend is clear, that you see a meaningful support or resistance level, and that the entry is obvious to you. If any of those are missing, skip the trade. The trades you don't take are often what save your account. Protect the account at all costs. If you're down 2% to 3% in a day, stop trading. Don't chase losses. Cap your activity at 2 to 4 trades per day to avoid overtrading, which is the #1 reason traders fail these trials. Finally, reach the profit target slowly. Aim for about 0.5% to 1% per day and finish in 5 to 10 trading days. You don't need to rush. Consistency beats speed every time. Remember the simple formula: trend, small risk, and patience. Follow that, and you'll put yourself in the best position to pass the FTMO free trial.